The meeting. You couldn't have got much further up the valley. The hills behind us were a steep green wall, and all the folk were talkative and pally as they crowded to the meeting at the hall. "We're very glad to see you, they told us. "We don't get many coming from outside," as they steered us past the potholes, sheep and boulders. "The most interesting thing since Mabon died." The schoolroom where we spoke was neat but dowdy. The chairman knew the people all by name. The heckling, on the whole, was not too rowdy. They knew the rules and they enjoyed the game. And then, under the stars, it somehow started. As the audience drifted to the street outside, as to and fro the dialectic darted, for some were for and some against the Blythe. Long-tethered tempers rose like boiling custard. The quarrel echoed from the high dark hill. Young men were passionate and old men blustered. The girls, alas, were vehement and shrill. And some who saw us off were rather nettled. "We don't know why you've come here, for a start. Before tonight we were all nicely settled. Now you've gone and blown the bloody place apart."